What's up all y'all? Dave here, working with a Marantec keyless entry garage door opener. And if your display starts flashing when you open the cover here, that means the batteries are getting low. Very easy to remove. You just slide up the door and then just sort of wiggle it and pull firmly on it, and this will come off. Then take you a small Phillips head screwdriver, remove that screw, and then hold it in place so you don't lose it. Then just sort of pull off on it. Then behind that cover, a little rubber cover, is where the batteries are located, and it's just two little AAA batteries. Very simple. And then just replace it, put it back the way you pulled it off, tighten the screw back down, take the door and just slide it back down firmly. It'll come back down to where it came from, and that's all there is to it. Check out our other videos. We got hundreds of other videos doing fix-ups around the house and cars and motorcycles, dirt bikes, stuff like that. So check out our videos. You'll have a great day.